Hello everyone. So tonight I'm making Frito chili pie, and I thought I would record it because it is football season, and this is great for at home football parties or tailgating. And I'm using my homemade chili. And all you do is use your favorite chili, any canned chili or your homemade chili. You can do this vegetarian by using a chili with no meat. And all you do is heat it up, get your regular original Fritos. I've got some shredded cheddar cheese, some diced onion. You can use some jalapenos and sour cream. Top it any way you like. It's really cool at a tailgate to get the snack size bags of Fritos. I don't know if they're called snack size, lunch, whatever. And cut the top off the bag, or just pull it open. And you put your chili, cheese, and onion right inside the bag. Stick a plastic fork or spoon in there, and you're good to go. So this is quick, easy, convenient football food. But tonight it's our dinner. So all we're doing is heating up this chili. Like I said, you can use any kind you like, with beans, no beans, lots of veggies, no veggies. Of course, if you're using a vegetarian style, you will definitely want all that chunky stuff because you're not going to have any meat. So, let me get this heated up and then we'll plate it as soon as I come back. Alrighty, our chili is ready. So I'm going to put that over the Fritos. And we are going to add some cheese, some onion, and you can add as much or as little of everything as you like. And a dollop of sour cream. So there you go, and it's crunchy. You can eat it like nachos or with your fork. I recommend a fork. Oh, hot. It's very good. It's very hot. So if you have any questions, post them down below. A thumbs up would be really cool. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And let your food cool off before you eat it. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. It is tasty.